everybody. I'm Lacey Brissette, and I'm an undergraduate student here at Delta College in University Center, Michigan. This is my first research ever. I'm having a blast. But, it's not possible without my professor, Dr. Baker, so I have to say thank you, Dr. Baker, for your guidance. It's been very helpful. So you're probably wondering what I'm doing. Well, I'm taking a carboxylic acid, like vinegar here, and I'm mixing it with an alcohol, like rubbing alcohol, and I'm getting an ester. Now you probably wonder, what good are esters? Well, we use esters every day in our lives, in plastics, adhesives, paints, but the coolest is artificial flavors, like in these delicious candies here. But if I were just to mix the vinegar and the alcohol, the reaction would go nowhere. It's painfully slow, it takes forever. So chemists have a really cool way of speeding up a reaction called a catalyst. Now, in this reaction, there's two different kinds of catalysts you can use. Sulfuric acid, found in car batteries, this is the most common. But you can use another thing called Dowlax, which is an ion exchange resin. It's basically, or similar to polystyrene, like in this cup, but it's in a bead form like this, just a lot smaller. And these catalysts work by donating a hydrogen ion. So what happens is you get vinegar and alcohol, mix it with your catalyst, and you come up with esters. Because who doesn't want to get from yuck to yum faster? So you're probably wondering how I'm figuring this all out. Well, I'm using a really cool technique called thin layer chromatography. This is an example of our thin layer chromatography plate. Basically how these work is the solvent travels up the plate. It pushes whatever you spot the plate, whatever chemical I spotted the plate with. So I spotted this plate over time with my reaction mixture. As you can see, this is our alcohol spot. And these up here are our esters. So the ester here forms rather quickly, within 1 minute. And from the way the spots travel the distance, I can tell you what was formed inside this reaction. That's pretty much what I'm doing. It's very awesome and it's very rewarding. So I would like to go to this because I love to talk. I really do, and I really love to talk about chemistry. And I would really love how to learn to do that better. Plus, never been to San Francisco. I'd really like to ride on a trolley. That's the goal. Go, learn to speak chemistry better, and ride on a trolley. Thank you for your time.